Page 97, I lift my eyes up. This is in the key of C major, so it seems. It's got a lot of B flats in it, but okay. 4/4 time, very repetitive actually at the beginning. Right hand. 1 and 2 and 4. Try and bring out the top note a little. Not a lot, just a little. Their fingering is fine. Second line, first just here and here. And then lift up. Try and play the, if you can, play it legato. And then here, on page 98, second line, here, or this first measure there, you're down here, then here, and then next measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1. So work out the rhythm carefully. Page 99, we're back to what we were doing originally. And again, try and bring out the top note and play it legato if you can. That's pretty much the piece. It's very repetitive. The left hand, keep it down. At the beginning, it's a 5, 2 on the G. Always a 2 on the G on the second note. Fourth finger, and then down. Then a 2 on the G. Keep doing that, and you'll be fine. The left hand's going to move around a little bit, but get to where, if you can kind of feel your way so you're not having to look at the keyboard. Take a look on page 98, second line, second measure, you're here. Now, once I'm in this position, I'm going to use third finger on the C. Here, third finger. Third finger. Just so I don't need to use little finger all the time. No, try and get these positions with your one hand position. You can cover various, you just kind of hear wherever you are. And then over on page 99, it's back to the other fingering. Just make sure it's a second finger on the G. There. And put the hands together gently, I hope. Page 98, second line, you're here. See, it sounds a little weird, but that's what's written. So for instance, in the second measure of the second line there, it's here. So that sounds different. It sounds like it should be here. It isn't, it's an A. It sounds weird. It's the harmony that's doing it. That's alright. And that goes on for a while, and then over on page 99 you're back to what you were doing originally. Very repetitious. Have I said that before? Let's add some pedal and smooth this out. It's going to be legato pedal, and basically it's every 2 beats. So at the beginning, see, the pedal is lagging behind the hands. It's overlapping that. The notes go first and then the pedal. Again. Top of page 98. again, the last measure, the first line, I would still do it every 2 beats. Then you'd repeat that. I'm not going to. Let's go on. Every 2 beats. Back to what we were doing at the first page, every 2 beats. Let's jump down to the last line on page 99, every 2 beats. And then the last measure, hold it down for the whole measure, and the pedal and the hands come up at the same time. The dynamics are pretty much up to you. What do you think they should be? The verse is generally softer, and the chorus you can come up a little bit. Don't get loud. It's a gentle piece. It's a smooth piece, a legato piece. How fast it goes, how fast would you sing it? It's up to you and the mood you're in. Second line, when the singing starts. It's up to you. The notes that have words to them, bring those out a little bit and keep everything else down a little bit. Unless, of course, you have a singer, and then keep everything down. The singer will take care of the melody. I like to do this slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Now, I'm not going to do any repeats. I'm going to go straight through it. So I'm going to do page 97, and then I'm going to stop and turn the page, and then I'll count in again and do pages 98 and 99. That's it, and just straight through. So I'll give it 4 counts. If you'd like to play along, do so. I encourage it. Double check your notes and your rhythms to make sure those are accurate. And if you can do it one hand at a time, because you can do it more than once, it's okay. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1 and 2 and ready and go, and 1 and 4 and 1. Turn the page. 1, 2, ready and go, and. Go on to the next line. And